Hi, this is Mohammed from Globalteckz, and in this video I will showcase you Odoo version 10 Shopify connector, where we'll be showcasing you with the functions such as creating Shopify instance, creating Shopify shops in Odoo, importing Shopify products in Odoo, importing stocks, importing images, importing all your customers in Odoo, and importing orders. So let's start with the first part, which is creating the Shopify instance. So here you can see I have logged in into Odoo version 10, and in this Odoo version 10 we have different modules available with us, such as discuss, then Shopify menu, sales, inventory. So let's go in the Shopify module, and here you can see we have different list of functionality which you can perform. But let's start with the core settings, which is creating the Shopify instance and creating the Shopify stores. So I will click on the Shopify instance, and here as you can see we don't have any instance. So let's click on create button and put the instance name. I will put Globalteckz Shopify connector, and once I add the instance name, you can add the location. So let me just add the location here, and I will put the API key and the password. Once you add all these three information, you can click on the save button. So now we'll click on the save button. So here we have created the Shopify instance in Odoo, and we also have the workflow and settings part, which we'll showcase in the next video in detail. So now let's create the Shopify shops in Odoo. So to create that, you need to go into the Shopify instance and click on the load Shopify store. And here now you can see that whatever number of stores you will have, it will get load here in Odoo. So these are the complete information about the store which you can see. So all the information from your Shopify store will be added into Odoo. So there may be multiple stores you have. So these are the complete information. So let's discard this, and now let's move on to another part, which is importing Shopify products in Odoo. So for that I will go into the Shopify instance, and here you can see that we have different buttons available, like import products, then we have import stock and import images, export products, export stock, and export images. So in this video we'll cover the import part only. So I will start by clicking on the import product button, but before that let me just go into the products part, and here you can see we don't have any products right now which we have added. So now let's go into the Shopify instance and import the products. So here I have clicked the import product button. So whatever products you have in Shopify store, it will get imported into Odoo. Now here you can see that we have all the products available. So you can click on any of the product and see the detailed information about the product. You can check out all the information onto the product part, which can be the product type, then internal reference. Then you can also see the barcode part, the sale price and the cost price of the product. And you can go into the Shopify menu here, where you can see complete information like vendor and which Shopify instance does this product belongs to, product tags and product type. So here we have imported all our products, and now let me just showcase you the variant products which we have also imported. Here you can see this is a variant product where there is 8 variant of this product, and you can click on the variant for more information. So both kind of products are imported here, which is the simple as well as variant product. Now let's go into the another part, which is importing stocks from your Shopify into Odoo. So I will go into the instance and I will click on the import stock button. But before that, let me just show you that there is no stock right now in hand available. So there is no stock showing in the variant products also. So we'll go in the Shopify instance and click on the import stock button. So once you click on import stock button, all your stock will get imported into Odoo. So let's go into the inventory, and from here we'll click on the inventory adjustments, and here you can see that we have updated stock, which also consists of date and time, and here we have all the products and the real quantity which has been imported from Shopify into Odoo. We can also see in the variant product that these are the forecasted quantity which has been imported into Odoo. Now let's move into the another part, which is importing the images. For that you can just click on the instance and click on the import image button. But before that, let's showcase you the products where there is no images we have imported till now. So there is no images. Even here in Shopify product image there is no images. Let's go in the Shopify instance and now we'll click on the import image button. What this will do, this will import all the images from your Shopify store into Odoo. So now here you can see we have all the images available with those products. You can go into Shopify product image and you can click on to the detailed information where you can see the image source, image positioning, the image ID, and so on. So again, this is another image. So this way you can import all your images into Odoo. So now let's move into another part, but before that let me just showcase you how it looks in the product variant part. See, all the images are imported. We'll go into another part, which is importing the customers from Shopify into Odoo, and we have already covered the import product stock and image part. For importing customers, you will go into the manage customer tab. Here first we'll see that there is no customers which has been imported till now. Now let's go into the instance and we'll go in the manage customer part. We'll click on the import customer button. Once we click there, we can see that all the customers will get imported into Odoo. So right now there are only 3 customers. You can see all the complete detailed information about all your customers, like address, the default address, and phone numbers. You can also go into the Shopify tab and you can see that the customer state, the verified email, and whether it's a Shopify customers or not, including the Shopify instance which it belongs to. So let me just showcase you another customer also. Here you can also see the note part, and let me just go into another customer. So this is another customer. So we'll continue with the final part, which is importing the orders from Shopify into Odoo. So we can go into the manage order tab for that, and here you can see we have 2 buttons. So we'll click on the import orders button. Once you click on import orders button, all the orders will get imported. Right now we don't have any orders, so let's import the orders first. So as soon as I click on import orders button, all the orders will get imported into Odoo. So we'll go in the all orders part, and here we can see our orders here. So this is one of the product which is actually the free product, so there is no unit price available. So this is the order which we have, and we can check the detailed information about this product. We can also see the Shopify details such as the order confirmed and Shopify order. This is the default workflow which we have added. You can also see the order ID for this particular order. Let's go into another order. So order lines, here we can see that we have the unit price for this particular order. You can check the detailed information including the taxes and the subtotal. So here all the calculations happen, including the product. So this you can run schedulers also for updates. Let me just showcase you the smart buttons which we have created from the instance. Also you can see the uh, shops, the orders. You can see from here how many orders has been came, and you can also see the template part, customers and templates. So these are the smart buttons which we have created. So this was all about the Odoo Shopify connector. So we have other features also which we'll be covering in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, you can visit our website www.globalteckz.com or email us on sales@globalteckz.com.